Hello everyone, welcome to Fly War. Today we're going to drive a Mazda Miata point of view drive. So let's load this car. This is my Mazda Miata, very beautiful as you can see. I have wheel spacers, I made it a wide body car. I even put these headlights on the side to light up during the night. And I put a, forget what you call this, wind thing. And I even made it a convertible and painted the chairs orange. So let's try this thing out. Oh, and this is my reverse light. There. Even has the pop-up headlights. Those are the bright. Alright, so this thing's loud. Let me turn the volume down a little. Option. Sound. Effect volume. So yes, here it is. A very beautiful car. Wait, I forgot. I'm supposed to do inside view. Yes, here it is. I'm even gonna put the pop-up headlights for fun. The physics of this game, which is Motor Town, are pretty good actually. I mean, they're not BeamNG Drive, but they're pretty decent compared to most games. Let me turn the volume up just a little bit. Let's see. Option, sound. Yes, here it is. So as you can hear, we strapped a 400 horsepower engine in here, which is unearthly for a Miata. But in Motortown, you can do basically anything. I just love this car. I can actually take you and show you how the stock version of it looks. It's somewhere over here on the west side of the map. Wait, let me set the line. It's over here, I believe. Uh, yeah, over here. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna turn the headlights off, because soon it's gonna be nighttime on the map. There's the horn. And do some cool drifts around the road. Oops. Yeah. There goes the tree. Wow, that's a very fast tree. Whoa, it just vanished. Whoa. So this thing is actually really easy to control, but I'm a horrible driver, so that's why I crashed it into a tree. I actually got it to go 230 kilometers an hour, which is like probably 180 miles an hour. Not sure. 160, 200. I don't know. I don't know the conversion. Um, so it's a pretty fast Miata. I mean, it should be because it's a 400 horsepower engine. So currently, I put like, I think this car costs 30,000 coins. I'm not sure, but I put at least like another 50,000. No, more than that. I put like 100,000 inside of it because I did the suspension, the wheel spacers. I even put the 400 horsepower engine, which costs 50,000. So I put over like 100,000 into this car. Probably around 200,000 total to buy it and everything. Um, yeah. So it's nighttime. I'm gonna turn on the headlights. Well, I don't show yet, but yeah. So this is where I bought it from. The only place you can buy it from. Um, we're gonna park it next to this other car. So here it is. Park it straight. Oops. Just crashed the other Mazda. Alright, here we go. I'm bad at parking. Yeah, there we go. Finally. So there is comparison to my Miata and stock Miata. So it's 30,000. Um, I honestly love my Miata. I even painted the windows orange. So yeah. So that's basically all I wanted to show you. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe. And don't forget to watch my upcoming videos.